Hello, my friends. This time, we will fly along the beauty of one of the dams in Yogyakarta, namely the Bendungan Kamijoro. This Bendungan is located on the border of Bantul Regency and Kulon Progo Regency, stretching majestically over the Progo River. Get ready to see the Bendungan Kamijoro and bridge from above. Bendungan Kamijoro is located between two districts in the special region of Yogyakarta, namely Bantul Regency and Kulon Progo Regency. Apart from being important infrastructure for irrigation, this dam is also a favorite tourist destination, especially because of its beautiful views, especially during the rainy season like now. When the rainy season arrives, like now, the water flow in the Bendungan Kamijoro becomes stronger and looks very majestic. From above, we can see how this flow brings freshness and provides great benefits for agricultural irrigation in the surrounding area. Not only that, this area also has become a favorite place for tourists who want to enjoy the beautiful natural atmosphere. Bendungan Kamijoro is not only about its function as a water regulator, but is also a unique tourist destination. Here, there is a beautiful bridge that divides the river, suitable for pedestrians who want to enjoy the view up close. Plus, when seen from the air, this panorama it really feels amazing, especially in the rainy season, which makes everything look even more lively. Bendungan Kamijoro is not just any dam. Above this dam stretches a bridge 161 meters long and 3 meters wide. Without the bridge, people would have to make a very long detour. This bridge is a new landscape for Bantul and Kulon Progo. The shape is similar to the Ampera Bridge in Palembang, complete with towering pillars and decorative steel ropes that seem to support the weight of the bridge. Apart from the bridge, there is also the Bendungan Kamijoro Park, which can be an option for relaxing, sitting, and enjoying the gentle breeze of the dam. This park is on the west side or in the Kulon Progo area where there is a park. From here we can take photos with the magnificent bridge and dam in the background. Meanwhile, on the east side or entering the Bantul area, there is a sophisticated and modern irrigation system. The facilities provided at Kamijoro Dam are very complete. There are toilets, prayer rooms, parking lots and food stalls with various menus, such as pisel to lethek noodles. Around the park there are also hawkers selling various traditional snacks. Thank you for exploring the Kamijoro Dam with us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss other interesting videos. Write in the comments column, what do you think about the beauty of this dam? See you in the next video. And keep preserving the beauty Indonesian nature. This is the end of our journey. Hopefully this video can provide inspiration to enjoy the beauty of nature from a different perspective. Bye bye.